don't know. Well, in life, whenever you are making a bread, and whenever the good Lord, you see me, provide for you, provide a job, or some money for you get to eat food and take care of your family. I don't know. I know in every nation. Yeah, but it's a very black nation. I not cause black, but it's a very black nation. A lot of them want you to be careful of other people or be careful of the people, which is right and which is true. Big up the people them where I try to protect people. Straight. I am not against you. You see me, but you have some will try to protect you and destroy you. You see what I say? I don't know. What make we black people stay against one another? The Chinese man help one another. The white man help one another. I don't say white man no fall white man, I don't say Chinese man no fall Chinese man. But not like how the black people start. When you suffer, no man no know you. You see me? That's why it's best for a man heed to him mother warning or him granny warning. That's what I say. Straight. Yeah, because you just beg God to show you and cover you. You see me? Because if you don't have God, no care how evil it is. If you have God, you will go through. And people wonder how you can dead. But if you're evil and have God, you go dead. You see me? I don't know. Whenever you try to hold your head above the water, the same color, always want to try and stop you. Them always try to build problem against you. You see me? Whether in your yard, church, school, or your workplace, you will find somebody who is sanctioning against you, trying to stop you from eating bread. You see me? Yeah, man. So when you say good people come to you and say be careful of who you are dealing with, be careful of them. Some of these people that want to see you go down. Some of them they mean you good. Some of them don't mean you no good. You see what I say? Yeah. You don't have to rich and happy. You see me? No. You see me? You don't have to rich and happy. You just do your thing, humble yourself and go through. And you reach far, you have a job. You see me? Because even when you are work, some of these people will. Some of these same people will sanction against you just for you out of your work. Some of these same people in your community are around you. And will try to get you out because they feel say you're hype or you're sure. I'm not a person who hype. I'm not a person who sure. I don't worry about people. I don't think about fighting the next man out of him bread. I am not like that. You see me? I am not somebody who bad mind nobody for what them have. I don't know how them get it. You see me? I'm just a humble man growing up, praising my God. You see me? Me know me gamble and thing, yes, yeah. Me not pray to tell the world to me gamble. You see me? Me not hide and gamble. And me go to church go sit down see me. Just like the Christian them me gamble and go down go sit down. We know the world we are going to be in from God, but me I say, yo, why we own kind, bad mind against them own kind, so why we bad mind against one another? Why some of we stay so? Eh? A man at work I try to help himself. You plan to kill him. You plan to destroy him. For why? You give him a sort of bad name, I don't even know nothing about what you are dealing with. What is the problem with some of you? If you go investigate the people around you, who you call friend like them, I still don't know. You see me? If you love good people alone, Rasta, that means it. Because good people always depend on earth and good people will always go through. So we have to big up good people when we say good people. Straight. And when you're good, you know me say big up to every good people in the country and around the world. Straight. But I'm not against people. We're not bad mind people. We're not trying to stop people. That's what I say. Yeah. Black people looking on ourselves. And we are killing ourselves. You see me? The police is here to serve and protect. But if we ourselves out here now serve and protect, the police we have out here can't help with on that. Look into where you see me I talk about. It might look like a madness, but in a madness, and we happy serve and protect ourselves. You understand? Yeah. As someone will put yourself in something and you can more we are run to the police and for rescue. You know me I say man. And then you turn upon the innocent man, tell the innocent man and farm pan. You so steer against one another. All when a man no business with you, you sit down and sanction against him to get him out of way man. Try survive after. I try to stop him then, put it away then. You don't know why I could stay so brother. But me I go and read my Bible and me I go and pray to my God saying me no business with who want to say me at this or me at that. Me know in myself. I know in myself who I am and I know what I am not. I know who I am and I know what I am not. So people will always talk, but I'm not paying them no mind, you see me? This is just the one that I'm telling you say. I'm a nice, kind, loving person. I don't give a damn about you when you like me and I chat behind me back. Me no care you from you don't like me not gonna like you. Trust me. And from you hate me for no reason, you're gonna hate you too. Trust me. For every reason because you hate me for no reason. That means that you don't want to see me on earth, you want me dead. And not a lot of these people will hate people for no reason. We are black and some of them want so to stick them. I am a humble man, I am a sensible man, intelligent somebody. Me no dog, me no goat, me no pig. You understand me? So you know what you are pray. Go and pray. God not sleep. Anytime you go down and feel me knee and pray to God. As well as all the people that say anytime you go in this city, there's enough I want to go. And let go what I do. And then you see God up my light through. But you see if you don't stop, can't help on brother. Judgment. That's all we can say. My life, every time I see your face. Missy love, oh yeah. Tell the boys and the girls, me love my mother, you feel love yours. Me try nouns, pronouns and the verbs, but this I love can't measure with words. The race up on my come first, shawty you come next, so nobody curse. Mommy never feel me, every baby song, no regret when you say no.